In the previous section, we established that machine learning systems learn patterns from examples. The next logical question is how exactly those examples are transformed into a fully functioning model. A working model does not materialize out of nowhere. It is engineered through a strict, repeatable process known as the machine learning lifecycle. We are unpacking Chapter 5, Machine Learning in Action. Specifically, we will cover Section 02, From Data to Decision, the Machine Learning Lifecycle. This lifecycle has 4 major steps. We will start with 2.1, Step 1, Gather and prepare the data. Then 2.2, Step 2, Train the model. Next is 2.3, Step 3, Test it honestly. Finally, 2.4, Step 4, Deploy, then keep improving. These 4 stages provide the technical blueprint for building systems like spam filters and recommendation engines, breaking down the engineering into a series of logical, manageable phases. Moving into 2.1, Step 1, Gather and prepare the data. Before a computer learns anything, humans must define the exact question it is supposed to answer. Once the question is set, the team gathers examples that can teach the system that answer. Real-world data is messy. Raw datasets are filled with problems that would confuse a machine learning system. You have missing pieces with blank fields, duplicate entries, inconsistent date and text formats, and a massive need for correct human labeling. When professionals say an AI project is mostly data work, this is what they mean. Gathering, cleaning, and labeling good data is often the long, unglamorous heart of the job. This time-consuming preparation is decisive. The system has no independent knowledge. A model can only learn from the specific data it receives. With the data ready, we reach 2.2, Step 2, Train the model. The team chooses an algorithm, a step-by-step procedure a computer follows to find patterns. Think of training like learning to shoot a basketball. You take a shot, see it fall short, and adjust by pushing harder next time. The algorithm follows the same feedback loop. It looks at an example, guesses, compares to the label, measures the error, and adjusts. The system repeats this. The goal isn't memorization. It relies on millions of tiny corrections to recognize broad, reliable patterns. Ask a chatbot to explain machine learning training to a beginner in under 150 words, using an everyday analogy that is not about basketball. This constant cycle of feedback and adjustment transforms the algorithm from a static set of rules into a tuned model, one capable of evaluating new information. Now we arrive at 2.3, Step 3, Test it honestly. Before training even begins, the team holds back a portion of labeled examples. This hidden portion is called test data, strictly locked away during the training phase. Testing a model on the same data it just studied is useless. It is like a student who memorizes an answer key before taking an exam. They might score perfectly, but they haven't actually learned the subject. The test data acts as a fresh exam. When measuring performance on this fresh exam, teams look at accuracy. Accuracy is simply the fraction of unseen test examples the model gets right. This diagram displays a common trap. Accuracy can be highly misleading when dealing with rare events. If only 1% of transactions are fraudulent, a lazy model could guess not fraud every single time. It would score 99% accuracy while catching absolutely 0 actual criminals. The true value of a model depends on how honestly it handles unseen realities. Stakes matter. A false alarm in a spam filter is merely annoying, but a misdiagnosis in a medical system is dangerous. The model must be evaluated on its real-world consequences, not just a high accuracy score. That brings us to 2.4, Step 4, Deploy, then keep improving. Deployment simply means putting the finished model to work with real users in the real world. This graph shows what happens after deployment. A model's performance naturally slips over time. Real-world behaviors and environments constantly change, and as they diverge from the original training data, the model experiences what is called model drift. You see this with your email spam filter. If a filter was trained once and never updated, it would quickly become useless because attackers constantly change their tactics and wording. To counter model drift, teams collect fresh examples. These are fed back into the system, retraining the model on the latest patterns. The lifecycle is an ongoing loop. You gather data, train, test honestly, and deploy to monitor and retrain. Keeping a model useful requires constant tending, regularly collecting fresh data and retraining the system to ensure it remains accurate in an evolving world.